You didn't become a healthcare professional to rush through 15-minute appointments or battle insurance paperwork every day. You chose this career to help people and to build a future on your own terms. At the American Academy of Procedural Medicine, we don't just teach Botox. We teach you how to build a thriving, cash-based medical practice. Since 1998, AAOPM has trained over 100,000 medical professionals and is recognized as America's leading CME training institution in aesthetics, functional medicine, and pain management. Our Level 1 Botox training course is the gold standard in injectable education. This one-day certification includes 8 CME credits and hands-on training with live patients under expert physician supervision. You'll master facial anatomy, precise dosing, safety protocols, and advanced injection techniques for neuromodulators including Botox, Dysport, Xeomin, Jeuveau, and Daxify. Train in person at nationwide locations or learn through interactive livestream training designed for working professionals. Brighten your future with cash-based CME training. Become certified, build confidence, and build your practice. Speak with an AAOPM advisor today.